Jinan Jinqiang Laser CNC Equipment Company Limited is located in Liandong U Valley Innovation Park, Jinan City, Shandong, China. We are committed ourselves to develop, produce, sell and service laser engraving and cutting equipment, fiber laser cutting, metal tube and pipe cutting, metal sheet cutting, laser engraving and laser marking machining. They are used in different applications, such as advertising, aerospace, auto parts, kitchenware, construction, furniture manufacturing, fitness manufacturing, textile cutting, art and craft, and many other places. We supply the whole solution for auto manufacturing to improve the old industrial processing. 12 years experience. Jinqiang Laser has obtained CE and FDA certificate, and our company follows the standard system of ISO 9001 to arrange management and production strictly. Because of unique design, good quality, professional international after-sales service, and competitive price, we got trust and support of customers all over the world. JQ equipments were exported to many countries and areas successfully, such as North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Mid East, and etc. All for customer, all from innovation. Jinqiang Laser is your best partner. Agents and distributors are sincerely wanted. Laser changes our life. Laser changes the world. Welcome friends from all over the world to cooperate with us. Please feel free to contact us for further information. Let's join hands for the better future.